Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on how to carry out your profile analysis on your global mapper. So where we already added our data so far. So we are loading. So you can create so when you choose that file, it will give you a choose. Then you start to pick the area, map out your area of interest. You can see area of mountainous area. You also island, lowland, and water bodies. We are using digital elevation model DEM to carry out this profile analysis. Considering my mapping, it comes close on flat land, mountainous area, water body. So you can see the profile pattern line of the above mapping. Now if I move my tools, you will see how it is moving. Flat land. Then we kick back to basement, terrain, mountainous area. Then we walk on a very high peak mountainous area. Then we move slowly back to the flat land, then back to the mountainous area, and then keep on climbing and go higher and higher and higher. You can see, then we get this place, and then the water body now have as a low base area. So you can see the profile of the mapping area for this profile path line, ranging from 10.37 million to 11.0241. You can see the kilometer ranging. You can set it. You can see the sloping of this area when changed to you can use different tools here to represent your profile. Now you can also save it in different form as CSV, DSV, SYZ. Differently you can save it. A PDF, you can still save it. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. You can save it as JPS. Use to export it. Then you create your folder and then save your work. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for more videos. If you're not subscribed, both new and old subscriber, please remember to subscribe to this channel.